This is the struggle almost everyone faces when renovating a home. The drawings are flat, the construction steps feel abstract, and choosing the right materials for the right style in the right climate can feel overwhelming. That is why we built this house step by step using artificial intelligence so you could see it happen. Please remember, this is only a sample home recreated by AI to help spark your own ideas. Now let's walk through the transformation together. An old, abandoned cottage. The roof was damaged. The brick walls were covered in withered vines. After a thorough survey and a handover between the homeowner and engineers, the bushes around the house began to be cleared. Next came the roof. Workers stripped away the damaged roofing boards, revealing the wooden frame underneath, still sturdy and worth preserving. The chimney was replastered. New brown tiles and new metal gutters were installed in its place. The brick facade was cleaned with a pressure washer, and the crimson red color returned as if the house were breathing again. The decaying windows were replaced with elegant black frames. A heavy, arched wooden door was installed at the entrance, a silent promise of what awaited inside. Outside, the cracked pathways gave way to a herringbone-patterned red brick road. The stone-paved patio looked rather unsightly. Lavender, foxglove, and hydrangeas blanket the garden, and wrought iron furniture catches the late afternoon sun. Stepping inside, the living room was dusty, sooty, and cold, but beneath the grime, the interior structure was still in good condition. The original ceiling beams had been sanded and repainted, restoring their original beauty. The plaster decorative elements had been carefully repaired. The walls were painted a warm cream color. The hardwood floors had been sanded and polished to a shine. The bookshelves were pre-built. A large cream-colored sofa sat opposite a restored stone fireplace. Floral linen curtains swayed softly in the light, and when the last flame was lit, the room was no longer a dilapidated mess but a peaceful sanctuary. Kitchen, here the work was restored. New copper plumbing, hidden wiring, a foundation built for practical daily life. Light green shaker-style kitchen cabinets with brass handles line the cream-colored walls, polished stone countertops, white farmhouse-style sink. A rustic wooden kitchen island becomes the centerpiece of the space. A long dining table sits nearby, illuminated by a wrought iron candle chandelier. Herb pots sit on the counter, a woven rug underfoot. Once damp and neglected, it has become a gathering place everyone is reluctant to leave. The bedroom needed a different, gentler, and more meticulous care. The blackened fireplace was hand-cleaned. The carved wooden fireplace mantel was oiled until it shone. Above, a decorative ceiling motif was restored. The curved stained glass windows were repaired, expanding the room's space onto the garden outside. In the center was a magnificent oak four-poster bed, wool blankets, patterned curtains, bedside lamps cast a shimmering glow by the fireplace. This room was no longer a dilapidated place. It was a haven of peace, and when the homeowner first entered, there was only quiet contentment.
The beams exactly as marked here.
That aligns with the structural assessment.
It looks like a solid plan.
A specific grout line on the schematic. It looks identical to the sample failure point. We need to
Finally, the bathroom, where broken tiles and rusted fixtures had been scraped clean down to the rough grout. A new system was installed beneath the surface, invisible but essential. Then came the shower cubicle tiled in green. The floor was tiled with patterned ceramic tiles. A vanity of natural wood with a brass sink, antique brass fittings. A classic freestanding bathtub set under the window where the morning sun shone. At sunset, the polished brass fittings gleamed brightly. Lavender flowers and woven wicker baskets add a touch of elegance to the room.
It was a pleasure restoring
This is the real lesson behind every renovation. It is never only about walls and materials. It is about giving a space its life back, its warmth, its history. So, before you begin your own project, ask yourself this. What does your home need to become, not just a house, but a place you never want to leave? If this journey gave you ideas for your own renovation, subscribe to the channel and stay with us. There are many more homes, many more stories waiting to be told.